Natuwa ang maraming mga fans dahil sinagot ni Chris ang ilan sa mga comments sa kanyang Instagram. Ilang mga fans din na nagsasabing mukhang kailangan ni Chris ang ibang approach para tuluyan itong gumaling. Isa na nga dito ay isang comment ng netizen na sinabing maaring nakaapekto ang trauma kay Chris lalo na't very public ang kanyang buhay dahil galing sa isang political family and at the same time ay very public din ang trabaho ni Chris noon na kung saan ay napapanood siya sa TV at sa mga social media. Comment ng isang netizen, I can't imagine how overwhelming it must feel to go through so much, both in your personal life and with your health. Your strength is remarkable. What you've experienced could wear down even the strongest people. Sometimes our bodies absorb pain that our minds and circumstances haven't had the chance to process or heal, and many autoimmune conditions are influenced by unresolved trauma. It might sound different, but have you ever thought about therapies that focus more on the emotional or psychological side? Some people find value in trauma focused therapy, somatic therapy. I've read that this can help, especially when physical treatments alone aren't bringing relief. There are the therapies designed to help people process trauma from intense public lives. Your case is especially intense starting from your parents' political lives and the public scrutiny from your own professional life. Exploring therapies beyond hospital based approaches can expand your healing, encompassing the heart and mind, not just the body. You deserve support that sees the whole of your story, hoping for your holistic and full recovery. God bless you. Sumagot naman si Chris at inexplain ng ganito. This has been suggested but I have reached a point where I have forgiven those who never bothered to say they are sorry. I have been blessed in so many ways because all my dreams as a child came true because I had a dad who called me beautiful and many times encouraged me to dream bigger dreams. My mom, when I was on TV on a daily basis, you will be amused to know, was a stage mom monitoring my shows and telling me when a certain angle wasn't flattering and made me look big or when I mispronounced a word. I have nothing at all against therapies, but I am very self aware. I am now on my two immunosuppressants, so we would need to do therapy online. With how sophisticated hackers can be and how AI can alter a person's words and facial expressions, no thanks. My therapy is listening to Christian and Catholic contemporary music. Sa puntong ito ay nag-iingat nga si Chris dahil kung magkakaroon nga siya ng therapy ay magiging online ito. Iniiwasan niya na magamit ang kanyang mukha dahil may mga AI na ngayon na pwedeng i-alter ang kanyang salita pati na rin ang kanyang facial expression. Nagpasalamat naman si Chris dahil ayon sa kanya, therapy ang pakikinig ng Christian at Catholic contemporary music.